Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we are looking at tension band wiring. So this tension band wiring is a form of the internal fixation. So it is the internal fixation and it is used to convert the distraction forces into the compression forces. So it converts the distraction forces into the compression forces. And what it does is it promotes the bone healing. So it promotes bone healing. So what are the uses or where is it used? So now when you look at the uses, this is used in terms of the fracture of the patella. So it's fracture of the patella. Next is it is used in terms of the fracture of the olecranon. And then also the fracture of the lateral malleolus and the fracture of the greater tubercle. So fracture of the patella, the olecranon process, the lateral malleolus, as well as it is used in terms of the greater tubercle. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.